Hey everybody, Robert here. Lindley and I are just kind of chilling in Vegas for a few days. This time we're traveling with Ellen and Eddie Sal. Your pal Eddie Sal, Mr. Karaoke Man from Virginia Beach, Virginia. You know who I'm talking about. Anyway, we're not staying at the Excalibur and we're not staying at the Luxor. We're staying right there. Circus. Old school Vegas. $35 a night, you can't beat it. The rooms aren't all that great, but who cares? You don't spend that much time in here anyway. We've done a whole lot. We did some gambling, lost some, won some. The big winner is Lindley, the big loser, Eddie. Anyway, we saw Cirque du Soleil's Mystere, and we also saw a long-running Vegas show called Jubilee at Bally's. Bally's the old place I used to gig when I was out here. A bunch of friends from home gave us $1 and wrote their name on it, and we're going to take all those dollars and put them in a machine, pull the handle one time. If you win, you win. If you don't, you don't. I will let you know that we've already done it, and somebody won $20. Most everybody else lost, but somebody won $20. Starts with an S, but I won't tell you. Alright, y'all hang in there, baby. Alright, we'll be back. See ya. Watch the video. Here it goes.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Elvis Presley. I'm here at, where the hell are we?
Circus.
We're at Circus, and I was here doing a show, I think it was, I don't remember, but we have Lindley here from the CalypsoNuts, and she's going to play your money. That's right, your hard-earned dollars right here, ladies and gentlemen. See the cash. Show them the cash, baby.
All right, everybody. It's Wednesday night. We haven't even been in town but 72 hours. We're a little punchy, if you couldn't guess, but we have your dollars, and we found a machine. Good luck. Paula. You're gonna edit that out, right?
I can try.
Becca.
Gotta let it read. Nada. Sorry, Becca.
John Murphy.
All right, Murph.
John Murphy's a winner, ladies
Murphy's
and
got $5 on his one.
John Murphy. Sherry and Paul. Sherry and Paul.
More Sherry and Paul.
Oh, Sherry and Paul, she didn't win. Dooley squat, baby.
Sherry and Paul.
Again. Hey, Elvis isn't dead.
Sherry and Paul put up $2. They double duty, baby. But they didn't win duty.
Sherry and Paul.
Oh, I put up $3. 3 to 1 odds, honey. Triple out the fool. I got your money too.
Guess who?
Sherry and Paul?
Sherry and Paul.
Damn.
Sherry and Paul won $2.
Hey.
The most awesome thing is we're recording this, so when we forget who all these vouchers belong to, we'll just watch the tape. Graham.
Graham's British, Elvis.
Well, here we go. He didn't want nothing.
Kathy. Kathy again.
Kathy did about as good as Graham.
That's right, girl.
And Graham. How did your dollars get mixed up?
Woo!
Graham.
They're doing as good as we did all week, man.
Sean.
Come on, baby.
Uh-oh, this could be it.
Sean won $20.
Oh, this is a winner, baby. $20.
Cool. Go Sean. Janice Windley.
Come on, Janice. Nada.
Blanky. AKA Blanche, AKA Branch. And another one for Blanky. Elvis just won $30.
Elvis won 30 bucks?
Thank you very much.
Last one for Blanky.
Oh, they're getting close, little baby.
Cindy Wenzel.
Cindy.
I want to go now, Cindy.
By the way, Lindley, why'd you pick this machine?
Well, originally I'd wanted the really big one, but we got up to it and we looked for a place to stuff the dollars in, and there wasn't a place.
She always wanted the really big one, but it just didn't work out that way. I'm
this
sorry.
one because it was pink.
Pink.
Cindy Wenzel.
She had to find a small pink one. Whoa! Ding, 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 ding.
Excellent.
$1 becomes 10.
When?
All right, now Gwen. Gwen is the lobster lady. If you're a lobster, Gwen will eat you.
Bobby Viditic.
It's Viditich.
Whatever.
I can't spell it, much less say it.
Rod Stewart.
Yes.
Susan Viditich. Was that better?
Much better.
Ms. Winifred Rabio.
Oh. I think this is the lucky dollar. Feel the power of Elvis.
Winifred Rabio.
Did you hit it? That looks like, now.
Don Sterling.
Come on, Don.
Come on, baby, hit that damn thing.
Don has won. Yeah.
2. Oh, man, doubled her money.
$2.
This next one, Ted.
This would be Ted.
Wow, okay. If Ted wins, he's got to share it with Don.
That's right. Sorry, Ted.
Oh, well.
Last but not least, Dan.
Dan, Bearded D.
Dan the man.
Dan the man, baby. Roll 'em, honey.
Let's see, 20, 30, 35, 37, $39 amongst all of the dollars. I think we did pretty well.
Wow.
Awesome job, everybody.
Nicely done. Hey, Elvis, take us out with a song, baby.
Treat me like a fool. Viva Las Vegas. Viva, viva Las Vegas. Thank you very much.
Good night.
See y'all in rock and roll heaven.